Why do I want to start daily vlog? So, I'm gonna start daily vlogging. So, starting tomorrow. So, this is just gonna be a heads up. You're gonna see a video tomorrow. Let's go. Let's do this. Shout out to all my fans right here. We got me and my mirror right there. Look at this. Look at that body. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's endless possibilities. Look, you can see me right there. Look at that. Look at the figure of this. Look at the figure of this. Endless possibilities. So yeah, we're gonna start daily vlogging. I'm gonna upload this video right now.